Hello and welcome back. And welcome back to Lockwood week. This is day number 7 and the last day of Lockwood week. Thank you very much, DON'Z LOCKZ, for sending me all of these Lockwoods. And as you guys noticed, this is a 270 S70 Lockwood giant padlock. Just absolutely amazing. This is the last day of Lockwood week, but this will not be the last Lockwood that I pick because I've still got more to pick. But as far as 7 days in a row, this I've got to get to some other stock locks that I've been sent. So, but at any rate, I wanted to get this one done because this is kind of another dream come true. Never thought I would have one of these. I've seen a couple of guys pick them, so I do know a little bit about them. They are giant. This is, I mean, and actually to have held one in my hand is totally insane, because they're much bigger in person. I did notice that this one has been out of the box before, because it would normally have zip ties. So I'm guessing DON'Z LOCKZ took a crack at this already, and can't say I blame him. This thing is beautiful. Let's get into it and see what we got here. I'm dying of curiosity to see how this plays out, because this is a giant padlock. Alright, let's see here. Got a little bit of paperwork. Let's see here, beautiful. Okay, keys are up here, awesome. Wow, this thing is huge, just beautiful and huge. Wow. Okay. Alright, it's got a shutter on the bottom. Here's the bitting on the key. Let's show that. Pretty good bitting there. Got a high one all the way in the back there to the ceiling. Anyway. Oh, that shutter is tight. There we go. Wow, that key goes all the way in. No spring tension on the shackle. And there is a pin right there to remove this whole shackle. Looks like there's a screw down the shackle hole. If I remember correctly, I have to pull that pin to pull the whole shackle to get this off, because I have to do 2 different screws when I get this. But we'll figure that out. Let's see if I can pick it first. Wow, that is one hell of a... Okay, I've picked things with shutters before, and they're usually not too much of a problem. This one's really strong, though. Has one heck of a spring on it. So, it is locked up. Let's put it in the vise. This could be a long video, so... I have prepared a little bit. I did grab a nail and a hammer, so that if I do get into it, I can push that pin through. Because I have seen other people pick these, and I kind of figure that's what I'll have to do. Let's see here. Let's work on that shutter and find out what keyway I'm working with. Wow. Use this. This is my normal tension wrench for the bottom of the keyway that I use. And I like, with these shutters, I have a multi-lock, but C10. Yeah, but usually you can do this and kind of look at your keyway. Looks like a standard Lockwood keyway. Wow, that is one strong. I can actually leave that tension wrench there. Which is good, because I'm going to try to use top of the keyway with a 50 thousandths pry bar. There we go. And let's grab my gem. That's what I want to use. That's what I've been using all week on these Lockwoods, and it's been working. Okay, I'm going to move that. I know that the shutter's going to drag on my tension, or on my pick a little bit, but I usually do not like that tension wrench hanging out when I'm picking. I try to use as much of the keyway as possible for the pick. Let's see here. Start in the back of the lock, pull forward. Let's see, 3 is, no. 1. Maybe. Counter? Wow, got counter, and it's got him set. Okay. Okay, squeeze back under 5 and got a little bit counter on him. Oh, nope. That was an overset. 3 is giving me counter. Oof. Oh, that was an overset. Okay, we are definitely dealing with tapered pins. I'm going to have to take this a lot slower. I can't get my pick back out. It got stuck in there. Here we go. Turn that a little bit so I can see a little bit better what I'm doing. 3. Counter. Okay, I think I just got him set. Get back underneath. Wow, 5 and 6 there, all on the ground. Okay, I need something deeper, I think. Well, nope, there's 1. Okay, I think I just got him set. What's that? 2? No? Okay. I am going to grab something deeper. I'm going to grab my DeForest Diamond. Feedback is well masked on this lock. Alright. As far as I can tell, I still have my false set. Oh, wait a second. No. Okay, I'm not getting any feedback from this anywhere. So either I overset. Nope, wait a second. I think I just overset. Okay, I let off a little bit. Now I'm going to have to set these spools again. 2. Nope. About 1. Okay, I got him set. Three, maybe. I think I just got him set. 4 just gave me a little deeper false set. 5, give me counter. Okay, I got him set. 2. Nope. I did not want to do that. 3. Oh, that was an overset. 2. And it's open. Awesome. Wow. Wow. Okay, that was tough. That's a tough lock, man. For a standard or stock lock, that's a tough lock. I can't even zoom out, it's so big. Let's just move it back a bit. Try to keep us all in frame here. Wow, that's a tough lock. Alright. Now, as I said, there is a screw down the shackle. I should have my big screwdriver here. Well, first I think I have to pull that pin in order to gut this. So, I did, like I said, I grabbed a hammer and a nail. to be able to knock that pin out. So let's see what we can do here with this, hopefully. There we go. Alright. There is a pin here that goes through that. Now the shackle should come, and it does. Perfect. And now there are two Phillips heads down the shackle hole. So let's grab my big screwdriver. Should be able to do this. There we go. There's one. And wow, okay. Plenty of Loctite in this thing. I think we got that one. That sucker is really in there. There we go. Okay, I got the top off. There's the screw. Okay, I'm going to grab my pinning tray. Put some of these parts in it. Okay, move all that out of the way. Okay, this is the actuator right here, or not the actuator, the shutter that you have to move out of the way, and the bottom of the lock. And as you can see, there is a kick cylinder inside of that. Should come out, and it does, along with a spring. Okay, two springs actually. We'll have to figure out exactly where those go. Alright, let's move some of this out of the way, but as you can see, it is still picked, so that's pretty awesome. And two more screws. This is going to be a long video, guys, but you know what? This is pretty interesting because this is not something I've ever had before, so get that off. I do have a key if I lock this back up. I would prefer not to. Okay, got the actuator off the back. Let's grab a follower and get to seeing what's inside of here. Pins are up. Awesome. Okay. As you can see, everything needed to be picked nice and deeply in there. Has 2 points of drill protection right at the front. Pin stack. There is all the key pins in and working. As you can see, it is a 6-pinner. Beautiful. Let's dump these and see what we have here. Okay, the drill protection's coming out, so we're going to let it. Okay, that's drill protection. It was just one side of the drill protection came out. 2 standard, 3 standard, 4. Yep, there's the other drill protection. Okay, both of those came out. 5 and 6. Nothing unusual about the plug. Everything's normal there. Looking at those key pins, they are in fact tapered, as I would expect from Lockwood's. And then I expect to find spools up top, because that's what I was playing with in there. I'm glad that I saw the Lockwood spool. I'm glad that I saw the tapered key pins, because after oversetting all that as many times as I did during that pick, I would expect nothing less. Okay, spool. Let's take the other ones from the back. Maybe. Yep. Okay, we have another spool. Oop. And another spool. So all spools up top. Wow, okay. And all tapered key pins on the bottom. All the springs are the same. Nothing unusual about the core there, or about the Bible. Let's zoom in for you guys and show you these pins. Wow, that's a hefty lock. Okay. Come on, focus. There we go. Looks like we had all standard pin, or all standard Lockwood pins, which are all tapered at the top, and all spools in the Bible. Lockwood spools, which are shallow with very sharp lips. What an amazing lock. Thank you, DON'Z LOCKZ, for sending it to me. Thank you guys for joining me for Lock Week. I hope everybody enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, like I said, I've got more Lockwoods to pick, but that's the end of this week. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and don't break the law.